Hey, Restore Plus family, Team Transform family, how are you doing? What's up? This is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and today I want to talk about the Thanksgiving that's around the corner. So this week, where everybody's preparing for that Thanksgiving Day, it's around the corner, and a couple main things that stands out for Thanksgiving that I hear from a lot of people. Number one is the Black Friday shopping. Everyone I know is preparing to buy things already. They're looking online. Some of the things that are on sale are actually started, beginning of the month. So that's one big thing that people look forward to. The other one, which is the main theme of Thanksgiving, is the Thanksgiving dinner. So the Thanksgiving meal. Now, a lot of people in our family, in our Restore Plus family, in our community, have some form of pain or inflammation, and that's the reason how they actually got into our family, into our community. So I want to share something with you today in this video that will help you not get more pain and more inflammation as you enjoy that Thanksgiving dinner, that Thanksgiving meal. All right, so in this video, I want to share with you top 3 things that I want you to minimize or I want you to avoid during that Thanksgiving dinner, during that Thanksgiving meal. All right, so if you are having some inflammation, you're having some pain, I want you to listen closely to this video. Maybe even get pen and paper. Start writing things down. Start writing down those 3 things that I'm going to be mentioning. Or you can save this video so that you can refer to it later, because those things, they don't change. You can use it year after year, or you can actually apply it on your daily, on your daily life. Okay, so now what are those top 3 things that I want you to minimize, I want you to avoid? Number 1 is I want you to avoid or minimize sugar. Right? So that includes, those, drinks, soda, pastries, cookies, candies, all those things. Why? It's because sugar gets the body in a state of inflammation. Think of it as the same reason as, people with diabetes. They don't heal the body's inflammation as well. Basically, they don't heal very well, right? Same reason as that. So I want you to avoid or minimize sweets, those sugar. Number 2, I want you to decrease or eat less of or minimize, or if you can avoid, maybe even avoid dead animal products. So now I know you'll be thinking, well, the main, I guess the main thing in your Thanksgiving dinner is the turkey, which is, it's a dead animal. So what I would want you to do is, I'm not telling you to not eat that, right? But I want you to follow the 80-20 rule, meaning 20% of your food will be the dead animal products. So that includes chicken, pork, or beef, right? Because some families, I know they don't cook turkey, so they use chicken instead. And even in my family, I didn't really grow up with turkey, so we use chicken. Or, my son loves lobsters, so there was one Thanksgiving that I actually, instead of a turkey, I just cooked lobster for him. For me, it's just the celebration there, and he's young, so for him, it's mostly he doesn't correlate it with the main essence of the Thanksgiving. I'm trying to get him into that. But anyway, I'm digressing. So with the decrease or minimize your dead animal products, and yes, that includes milk, right? Or dairy or yogurt. Now, it's the 80-20 rule, meaning 20% you eat your chicken, pork, or beef, or those dead animal products. And then 80% you can eat your veggies, especially take more fiber, because that will help you get full faster also, so you don't tend to eat a lot. And also you can have so aside from you can have some carbs there, so that comprises the 80%. Okay, and the third one is I want you to have less or minimize your alcohol intake. I know a lot of people, when they have parties, especially Thanksgiving, it's a big celebration. Have a lot of, they have drinks, have wine, different kinds of alcohol. Especially the wine is very popular. So I want you to decrease your alcohol intake. Okay, because alcohol is not going to help your body. It's not going to help the inflammation. It also, it's going to dehydrate you, and then you're not going to be feeling good. And especially if you're driving, definitely, don't even drink, or just make sure it's maybe one shot or something. That's it. Okay, it's for safety reasons also. All right. So now those are the top 3 things that I want you to avoid, I want you to minimize during your Thanksgiving meal, during your Thanksgiving dinner. I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below. Is that doable for you? Will you be able to do that? Are you thinking of doing it, or are you just thinking, hey, I'm just not going to bother with this? I would love to know. And if you are going to try it, I would love to hear, are you successful? How successful are you? I'd love you to share that in the comments below, so that way, other people can see that, and people can get inspiration for the other ones, from the other ones who are actually able to do that. All right. So, would love to hear, and thank you very much for your time for watching this video. Remember, I need you to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video so that you can help transform other people's lives. Especially for this one, for the Thanksgiving, share this with family, friends, share this with as many people as you know. So that way, after that Thanksgiving meal, after that dinner, that wonderful feast, you're not gonna end up having more pain and inflammation the next few days, and you're gonna be paying for it, right? Definitely do, spread the word, share this out, right? And let me know what you want me to talk about in future videos or in blogs. That way I can continue helping transform your life, and also continue helping people stay healthy and pain-free. All right? I wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful feast, a wonderful dinner. And I'll see you next time. Bye.